So this is the weather on 6 April. We're supposed to have a nice spring, but it is colder than in the winter, and it has snowing a lot, but a lot, guys. Look at this snow. How insane is this? Poor trees, they have leaves and some flowers. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you which mascara is better for my lash. So in the past I was using Ilia and I didn't was so pleased with this mascara because didn't give me a full look or volume or something like this. So I was buying this MAC. It is an extreme dimension 3D black lash, and I want to show you today how it makes my lashes. So this is the brush, and let's apply it. So I will apply on my eye to see the difference, because I wasn't so pleased with this mascara. I don't know if other people like it, but I was buying because I was reading some reviews on internet. But on my lashes, let me see. Look, this is how my lash look. And now let me show you with I don't know. I buy two Maybelline because this sensational seals with volume, and this is luscious seals. But I noticed that this one, the pink one, I like it better. So let's try this one. This is Seals Sensational Luscious with oil blend lash sensational, sorry. So this is the brush, different from MAC, and let's apply it. This type of brush I see it on L'Oreal Telescopic about some years ago, and in that period I was loving so much that mascara. But in the last years I don't know why I didn't buy it. So this is with Maybelline. So I noticed that Maybelline gives more volume than MAC does. So now I want to show you with this Maybelline, but I need to wash it off first. So I remove my my mascara from this eye. So now I will using this less sensational full fan effect intense black. It has a slightly more different brush than the other mascara, also from Maybelline. Let me show you. So these are the brush. This is the pink one, and this is the black one. So now we will use the pink one. like the name it says, full fan effect. I like it better on this on my eye, but also the black version is also very good compared with MAC. MAC was disappointing for me because I didn't buy the right product. So let me show you. So this is with pink one and this is with black one. I love both, but I guess it is more flattering with the pink one. So I will stick with my lash sensational full fan effect in pink version with from Maybelline. So I hope this will be helpful for you in case you want to switch your mascara and you want to see how it looks for real. So till next time, be safe and see you later, guys. Bye bye.